Welcome to Spreadsheets 1. Today we're going to create a spreadsheet, enter some data into it and save it onto our computers. When you open Excel, you see this screen in front of you. If you double click on the very first template, it's called Blank Workbook, it creates a blank workbook for you. It puts the name of the workbook you're in at the top, and in this case it's Book 1 because it hasn't got a name yet. To save it with the name in your own folder, click on File, click on Save As, select the folder that you want to use and type in the name of your workbook. This is our workbook and it has the name across the top. On the very top beside the word File, there's different tabs and each tab shows a different menu. We're in the Home tab and this allows us to enter the information. The information gets entered into cells which are donated by a column letter called A in this case and a number 1 to 10 down the side or up to infinity. We're in the cell A1 and it shows here in our location and with the box around it. We're going to move across to here and put in the title of our spreadsheet, which is going to be Coffee Sales. We're going to put in a date. You can see when I'm typing that the words I'm typing appear in this box here. This is the contents of the cell and this is the cell name here. So the date we're going to put in is 28th of November 20. We're now going to put in an area, some salespeople. So you can see, as you type and move your little cursor around, you're able to enter data into all the cells that you're in. You can see the names go out over the edge of the column. So to make the column the exact width of the widest words in it, move it up to the top of the column and the cursor changes to a kind of cross with an arrow on each side. When it changes to this, if we double click on it, it makes it wider. Also, when it's at this, we can move it to the left or right by holding down the mouse and moving it to the left and right. We're going to put in some months. So again, if you type in the month, when you have a couple of months, you can see there's a little square at the bottom. If you make it change to a cross and drag it across, it will automatically fill in the calendar month. We're going to enter some figures in here. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to drag the area code down. So we select A4. You see Dublin both in the box here and here. And there's a little square at the bottom. When the mouse goes over the square, it changes to a cross. And when it's a cross, if we press the mouse and hold it down and drag it, it will fill in the cells that we drag it over with the value of that cell. It copies it down. The other thing we could do is we could highlight the cell. We could click on the copy key, which is here on the ribbon. We could click on that, click on where we want to paste it to, and then click on the paste key. If we now have entered our figures and we've entered our names, you can hit save. At the very top corner there's a shortcut icon for you for saving. You've now created a spreadsheet and saved the data.